Bank 1 Catalytic Converter location and information on a 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma with a V6 3.5 liter engine in it. You're going to find the Bank 1 Catalytic Converter here on the passenger side of this vehicle. Now you have two catalytic converters on this side. Your front catalytic converter, that is between your Bank 1 Sensor 1 and your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor, is the only catalytic converter monitored by the computer on this vehicle. So if you have a catalyst below efficiency code, really the only catalytic converter you need to replace is this catalytic converter. If you look downstream in the exhaust, you will find your second catalytic converter, but I do not see an oxygen sensor that monitors the efficiency of this catalytic converter, so I do not see the need to replace it if you do get a cat efficiency code. But per se, if you want to be really green and really clean with your exhaust, you might want to replace both cats on this bank if you get a catalyst efficiency, because you know your rear catalytic converter is going to work a little extra hard if the front cat isn't working properly. Check out Scotty's Hobbies for a ton more videos on this vehicle. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.